Hey guys, we're doing case 10 of Reloaded. One person gets 4 spots in the 14:15 NT break. That's the top person after the spins at 7:33:15 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll. We're going 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Thomas Pilot, you get the spots in the 14:15 NT. And teams now. Going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. So we've got Thomas Pilot with the Hawks, Glenbow Wolves, Darren Gibbs Magic, Marcus Blott Clippers, Eugene Yu Hornets, Dane Fountain Cavs, Glenn Butcher Blazers, Glenbow Heat, Nathan Allott Wizards, Steve Harrison Rockets, Timothy Price Celtics, Zach Nichols Pacers, Adam Walters Nuggets, Glenbow Lakers, Thomas Pilot Warriors, Grant McDonald Spurs, Adam Walters Jazz, Thomas Pilot Mavericks, Jared Quirk Bucks, Steve Harrison Raptors, Glenn Butcher Knicks, Kiwi with the Kings, Eugene Yu with the Bulls, Mick Dell with the Suns, Grant McDonald with the Pistons, James Cannon Thunder, Darren Gibbs Nets, Steve Harrison Pelicans, Glenbow Sixers, and Eugene Yu with the Grizz. Yeah.